Want to stay warm, comfortable, and totally relaxed? These new Amazon gadgets are designed to keep you cozy no matter the season. From soft essentials to smart comfort upgrades, they'll make your space feel extra inviting. All product links are in the description below. Give your tired feet the spa treatment they deserve. This foot massager uses dual rollers and 6 groups of nodes to target arches, heels, and forefeet with deep relief. Perfect for easing daily aches or conditions like plantar fasciitis. Choose from 16 massage modes with adjustable kneading, compression, and soothing heat, all controlled by touch or remote. The smart heating system warms up quickly and holds a steady temperature, melting away stiffness and boosting circulation. Ultra quiet and easy to clean with washable covers, it's relaxation you'll look forward to every single day. Cool your room without the worry of spinning blades. This modern bladeless ceiling fan doubles as a stylish LED light, giving you both comfort and brightness in one sleek design. The dimmable light lets you set the mood, while 6 fan speeds give you the perfect breeze, from a gentle whisper to a strong, cool flow. A remote puts full control in your hands, and with no blades to clean, upkeep is quick and easy. Tired hands deserve better than a quick rub. This cordless hand massager wraps your entire hand, fingers, palm, and wrist in soothing heat and gentle compression. With 3 massage modes and 5 pressure levels, it's like having a personal hand therapist on call. Great for arthritis, carpal tunnel, or just long hours on a keyboard. Heats up fast, runs cordless for hours, and fits even larger hands comfortably. Your campsite just found its new favorite seat. This hammock-style camping chair lets you sway gently while you relax, with a built-in head pillow for extra comfort. The retractable footrest adjusts or detaches so you can sit exactly how you like. A side cup holder keeps your drink close, and the breathable mesh seat keeps you cool. It folds down into a carrying bag, making it perfect for camping, fishing, or picnics. This isn't just a nightstand, it's your bedside command center. A built-in wireless charger plus USB and Type-C ports keep all your devices powered while you relax. The motion sensor LED light switches on as you approach, with 3 color options to match your mood. An adjustable swivel workstation lets you work or snack in bed with ease. With drawers, shelves, and wheels, it's storage, lighting, and convenience all in one. Summer drives just got a lot more bearable. This cooling car seat cover plugs right into your cigarette lighter and fits neatly over your seat. It's packed with airflow holes and 2 turbo fans that push cool air through the cushion. Plus, it's remote controlled and even comes with a massage function. So you're not just staying cool, you're riding in total comfort. Step out of the shower and skip the towel. This full-body dryer surrounds you with warm or cool air, drying your skin in minutes without rubbing. A foot-level touchscreen lets you switch modes hands-free, perfect for comfort and accessibility. The preheat feature ensures cozy warmth on chilly days, while non-slip pads keep you steady. Powerful yet gentle, it turns drying off into a spa-like experience. Wrinkled clothes don't stand a chance. This portable travel steamer heats up in just 15 seconds, giving you powerful steam for up to 8 minutes. The compact design slips easily into your bag, so you can keep outfits fresh anywhere. A spill-proof system lets you steam at any angle, and the detachable water tank makes refilling simple. Perfect for clothes, curtains, and more, at home or on the go. Real quick, before you buy your next Amazon gadget and waste hundreds of dollars, I've put together a secret Amazon cheat sheet that shows you how to save up to 80% on every order, and it's completely free. These are the tricks most shoppers don't know about, and Amazon will hate you for knowing them. Get your free guide. Links in the description. Picnics just got a touch more elegant. This foldable acacia wood table holds your wine bottle, glasses, and snacks all in one spot. No more balancing plates on your lap. The surface keeps fruit and treats from rolling away, while the built-in bottle holder doubles as a handle for easy carrying. It sets up in seconds and folds flat when you're done. Perfect for beach days, concerts, camping, or a cozy date night. Tired of overcooking dinner or losing track of your workout time? This sleek timer keeps it simple with a twist-to-set dial, an extra-large LED display, and magnetic backing that sticks right to your fridge. It's easy enough for kids and seniors to use, and the adjustable volume means you won't miss the beep or wake the whole house. No more wasting half-used fruits or veggies. These colorful silicone pods keep them fresh and ready whenever you are. Whether it's half an avocado, leftover onion, or a handful of grapes, the snug seal locks in flavor while preventing odors from escaping. Lightweight and reusable, they're easy to toss in a bag for lunch or snacks on the go. And cleanup takes just seconds under running water. Time doesn't just tick away, it glows. This digital hourglass swaps falling sand for a cascade of LED lights that slowly drift down, creating a calming visual countdown. You can set it anywhere from 1 to 30 minutes, making it great for games, study sessions, or quiet relaxation. Brightness is adjustable, and the smooth design fits right into any room. It's part timer, part decor, and completely mesmerizing. Tension in your neck and shoulders. This cordless massager melts it away with deep, hand-like kneading that feels just like a real massage. 6 rotating nodes work in 4D motion to cover a wide area, easing stiffness and tightness. Add soothing heat for even more comfort and better circulation. Lightweight and portable, it slips into your bag so you can enjoy pure relaxation anywhere. Ironing just got a serious upgrade. This smart iron lowers itself when you touch the handle and automatically lifts when you let go. No more scorched fabric or wrist strain. The diamond ceramic sole plate glides smoothly over any material, wiping out wrinkles fast. With powerful steam in multiple modes, it's ready for clothes, quilting, or crafts. Long cord, big water tank, and auto shutoff make it as convenient as it is clever. Dust you can't see? This vacuum finds it for you. Its built-in light reveals hidden dirt on hard floors, while powerful suction picks it all up in a single pass. It's cordless, lightweight, and runs for up to 60 minutes, so you can clean your whole home without stopping. No trigger to hold, just one button for smooth, continuous cleaning. It's smart, slim, and seriously efficient. Sweep and vacuum in one smooth motion. This cordless 2-in-1 sweeper has high-quality bristles to grab even the tiniest crumbs, while a powerful motor sucks them straight in. No dustpan needed, just hit the eject button and empty it into the trash. The lightweight design and long-life battery make cleaning quick and easy. Perfect for hard floors, quick touch-ups, and avoiding the hassle of dragging out a big vacuum. Let your curtains open themselves while you relax. This smart curtain opener installs in minutes, no tools, no hassle, and connects to your phone for instant control. You can schedule them to open with the sunrise, close at night, or adjust to any position with a tap. The powerful motor handles even heavy fabrics, and silent mode keeps it whisper quiet. It's convenience, comfort, and a little touch of luxury in one. Work anywhere without sacrificing comfort. This lap desk fits laptops up to 15.6 inches, with extra room for a mouse and accessories. A built-in mouse pad and phone slot keep everything within reach, while the cushioned wrist rest supports your hands during long sessions. The dual bolster cushion keeps your lap cool and stable. Lightweight with a carrying handle, it's perfect for moving from couch to desk to bed. Sitting still all day? Not with this chair. Its unique design lets you sit cross-legged, kneel, squat, or switch to countless comfy positions whenever you feel like it. The plush seat and supportive backrest keep you comfortable, while the swivel footstool gives you even more flexibility. It's perfect for work, study, or meditation. Finally, a chair that moves with you instead of holding you still. Who needs a pedicure when your shower does it for you? This foot scrubber slipper has over 1,000 soft bristles that clean, exfoliate, and massage your feet, all without bending down. Just step in and move your foot back and forth for a full heel-to-toe refresh. It scrubs away dead skin and boosts circulation at the same time. Great for anyone with mobility issues or anyone who just wants spa vibes in the shower. Washing your hands just got smarter. This sleek basin faucet has a built-in LED display that shows your exact water temperature in real time. No guessing, no surprises. The hot and cold mixer lets you fine-tune the perfect warmth for comfort. Made from durable copper, it's built to last while adding a modern touch to your sink. Simple, stylish, and surprisingly high-tech for everyday use. Sweep, and it's gone. No bending, no dustpan, no hassle. This touchless vacuum uses infrared sensors to detect dirt, pet hair, and debris, sucking it all up the moment you sweep toward it. The 1,000-watt motor works fast, leaving floors spotless in seconds. High-efficiency filters trap dust and return clean air to the room. Always on and ready, it's the ultimate helper for quick, everyday cleanups. Your bathroom routine just got an upgrade. This smart toilet with a built-in bidet handles comfort and hygiene in one sleek design. The stainless steel wand adjusts spray position, pressure, and temperature for a personalized cleanse. The lid opens and closes hands-free, and the self-cleaning system uses UV light to keep it fresh. Dual flush technology saves water, while the quiet closed seat keeps things peaceful. Hand-washing delicates is a chore you can skip. This portable mini washer uses ultrasonic cleaning to lift stains and freshen fabrics without the scrubbing. Just add water, press a button, and it gets to work. Gentle on underwear, socks, baby clothes, and even silk or lace. Lightweight and cordless, it slips into a bag for travel, so fresh laundry is always within reach, wherever you go. Movie nights just got an upgrade. This smart coffee table hides a built-in fridge with dual temperature drawers, keeping snacks and drinks perfectly chilled within arm's reach. Built-in Bluetooth speakers fill the room with rich sound, while LED lights pulse to the beat. A wireless charging pad plus USB ports keep your devices powered without clutter. It's a table, a fridge, a speaker, and your living room's new centerpiece. Dark corners don't stand a chance with this sleek under-cabinet light. It's rechargeable, motion-activated, and bright enough to light up kitchens, closets, or hallways without flicker or glare. Choose from warm, natural, or daylight tones and adjust the brightness to your liking. The memory function remembers your last setting. Built-in magnets make installation a breeze, and the long-lasting battery means fewer recharges and more hassle-free lighting. No bug stands a chance with this clever swatter in your hand. Its rotating head lets you swipe at tricky angles, on walls, ceilings, or mid-air, and the telescopic handle stretches up to 28 inches to reach those high, annoying spots. With a powerful zap, it instantly takes down flies, mosquitoes, and other pests. It's rechargeable, safe to touch, and even stands up for hands-free use.